Guys, did you hear that?
What? I don't hear anything.
1 second. It sounded like scratching. You have to have heard it.
Are you sure you're not hearing things, bro?
Oh, guys, no, take this seriously. You guys really don't hear it.
Just listen. Nah, I'm sure it's the alcohol. It's kicking in right now.
All scratches.
No, bro, I think and maybe now start to kick in.
No. Guys, this, it sounds really close to the table. I don't understand how you're not hearing this. It's scratching like.
What do you mean by scratching?
Little scratches. This.
Scratching like something like a rat?
What's that?
Okay, and then now okay. And now the lights out. I'm freaking out.
Okay, let's just stay calm. I'm sure it must be load shedding or something. Does any one of you guys have a lighter for one?
Let me check. I think you want. Let me check.
This will not be how I die. Yeah.
Let me just check out the room because it's too dark over here.
Okay, I'm starting to have a bad feeling about just all of this. Where's the waiter? He found. Yeah, where is he? This guy.
Hey, bro, I don't know, but what I'm sure of, Akeko Ava, and this man's free booze for us, guys. Because the other day, the guy who
Something touched me, bro.
It's getting very freaking out, very fast. It's not to my liking.
Listen, bro, I'm just gonna smoke and drink. Cause there's no.
They take you, so they're gonna take me. I told you this place is haunted. Where's the go? Who's go? I don't know what you're talking about.
Does anyone order a drink?
Freaked out.
Okay, guys, that's enough. Aibo, you know what we'll store for him? Alright, man, guys. In from the inside, right? You've been pranked.
Ye man, yipranki. Ye man ayini madoda man indoni izosenzela into zabelungu nje nina apha ngo.
It's a prank.
Yeah.
It's a prank.
Ngibani benqwitsha makuphuma ibhiya futhi for long. Makuphuma ibhiya.
It's serious, bro.
Yes. Enjoy, guys.
It's a prank.
Yeah.
You
Yes.
guys can stay. I'm down with this prank of yours.